So this is my 100th video and I wanted to make something special. So I'm going to show you a recipe which is very unique. We call this as coconut flowers. This is a sweet dish and you can have it as a dessert or as a snack. Let's go over the ingredients we need for this dish. So take 5 cups of grated coconut and about 7.5 cups of sugar. So for 1 cup of coconut you will need about 1.5 cup of sugar and then 5 cups of all-purpose flour. So you can take the same quantity as that of coconut. Next we'll need couple of butter sticks and some cardamom powder. Add sugar to the grated coconut. We need to heat this coconut and sugar mixture first. So for 5 cups of grated coconut, add only 5 cups of sugar at this stage. Use the remaining 2.5 cups of sugar to make a sugar syrup later on. Keep stirring this until the coconut turns slightly golden brown color and all the sugar that we have added should melt. This can take anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes because the coconut has to cook and the sugar has to melt and this has to become like a dry powder again. This mixture has to be very powdery. Make sure there are no lumps. Now this coconut mixture is all done. Sugar has melted and this is all powdery and good. Now add a little bit of cardamom powder to this and then just mix it and turn off the stove and let this cool down. Let's prepare the dough. Add 5 cups of flour, some salt. Next add the butter sticks. I let these butter sticks sit in the room temperature for more than 4 hours now. First add 1 cup of water and add more water as you need to make a good dough. I use this KitchenAid mixer to make dough. Touch the dough and see, it should be soft. So at this stage you can turn it off. Cover this with the lid and let this dough sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Make the dough into small balls. Roll each dough balls like this and next add our coconut mixture here. Wrap it like this. Make it into a flower like this. Take a white pan like this and put lot of oil. Now we are going to fry our flour balls in this. Be very gentle when you are moving them around. You have to fry them till they turn golden brown. Make sure all the sides are fried well. These have turned golden brown. At this stage you can take them out. Start making sugar syrup. I've taken a pan, turned it on and I've added 2.5 cups of sugar. Now we'll add some water. So boil this until all the sugar melts and the syrup turns a bit sticky. Sugar syrup is ready. If you touch it, it will be sticky. So at this stage add some cardamom powder also to this for a nice aroma and then you can just mix this and turn it off. Now add these coconut flowers in the sugar syrup and let them soak for a minute. Make sure they are coated well with the syrup and then take them and keep it aside. After taking these out of the syrup, let them dry for some time. They shouldn't be sticky and they should dry up well. So our coconut flowers are ready to be served now. This is a very unique recipe and you should definitely try it. It's going to taste really great as well. With the measurements I took, I got about 40 to 50 coconut flowers. So if you need to make a small batch, you can just cut down the measurements. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. This is my 100th video. I hope you continue to like and share my videos. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Bye.